So this is the pound yen analysis for Tuesday 24th of October. So let's just have a look at what happened on Monday 23rd. So if my stylus would work, it doesn't appear to want to work. So as we can see, markets did gap up. We did come up to we came up close, but not close enough for my liking. We did come quite close to the weekly pivot of 150.56. We came up to a high of 150.49, which, due to the volatility of the pound yen, some might interpret as being close enough. We did have a bit of a sell-off, went into a bit of a range. Let's just grab the pen. Went into a bit of a range, and we broke down to close the gap. And what's the thing about closing the gap is we had a bit of a momentum candle, and let's just clear the chart up. Had a bit of a momentum candle there. Strong bullish move. Strong bearish move. Sorry, strong bearish move, indicating you didn't see much of a follow through. So it was pretty much the bears taking complete control of the market. It's likely news related when we see candles of this size, but we are seeing some buying back into the market. We've come all the way back up to the resistance of 49.78. So if we're not able to hold 49.78, we could see further downside momentum towards this 200 and 400 period moving average here in blue and black. Below which we will definitely be looking at 48.46, which was the top of the range which we broke out from on the monthly chart, for a possible move back up to test the 49.78. Overall though, especially on the monthly chart, we are in a bullish territory. So what might likely happen is we come up, test the 49.78 from above before we break, and have a proper test of 150.56. Above 150.56, we will be looking at 151.25, above which, again, the very next level is all the way about 52.85, which is quite a bit away. I can't anticipate price getting all the way up. No, I can't anticipate price getting all the way up to 52.85 on the 24th, but definitely 51.25 is within the range, and 48.46 to the downside is definitely within the range. Overall, we're in an uptrend, so we might even find some support in around this region that we found support before. If we do break below 148.46 for a move back to the upside. So if we just have we're just gonna have a quick look at both the weekly and the daily time frames. So on the weekly time frame, let's get a scale on here. Correct. On the weekly time frame, we are in an uptrend, not as strong as I'd like. So we've had our lows here, had a higher low there, higher low. Could possibly say it's a slightly higher low. A strong momentum candle here. Had a bit of a pullback, and these two bullish weeks indicate we're likely to break to the upside to test that 152.85 level. So that is supportive of a bullish move. We've not even pulled back all the way down to the 20 period moving average at present. We do have to be aware of possibly the 400 period moving average, but we have successfully navigated it so far. 400 period moving average currently sitting below us at 149.33. Now, if we have a look at the daily chart, on the daily chart, we seem to have built a bit of a base at the moment. So let's grab the pen. So we've had our lows here, and we've pulled back and found some support in around that 47.35, where we did have some buying momentum by the long week on that candle there. We seem to be putting in a higher low at the moment, especially in light of the strong bullish candle here. So we do expect continuation, possibly test out 51.25, and above that 52.85. Beyond that, we've definitely got 54.72. So yep, that should wrap up the analysis for the pound yen. Before I go, LCS, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.